Cripple Crips on camera.
Oh, with the scissors.
Hey, the Cripple Pimps on camera.
Hey, it's recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Yeah, my name is Turf Boy, aka Cripple Loco. Out here frontlining it, man. You know what I'm saying? If I would have had my crutch, I'd have been out there on the dance floor like. Represent the 112, man. Represent the 112, 112th Street, man. Frontline division, man. 711 district, man. Out here, Cuckoo the Pimp, man. And we out here. And we on.
Hey, look, they've been,
like
he been working out.
Look, working out, getting his buff
at his max.
At his max.
He been working out at his max doing.
What's them 10s?
No, that nigga doing
10 plates.
That nigga doing bench press.
Yeah, somebody spot me. No, nigga, somebody spot me on. Somebody spot me on. Hey, look, man. Hey, I'm finna get it in, man, like swimwear, man. This bitch at 300 pounds. Finna bitch at 300 pounds. The homie finna spot me. You see the.
Come knock this 3 down, my nigga. This ain't shit, huh? Come back this shit down. 300, my nigga. 300.
1, 2.
Oh, shit. She fought help a nigga. You see that?
Nigga, my leg hurt.
Yeah, man, we get it in, man. You know what I'm saying? Look, man. You see that, man? You see that, man? A nigga stack. I can stack a pair of jeans on that, man. You know what I'm saying? We out here in this bitch. Penitentiary, man. Straight from motherfucking camp.
Certified Bump Studios.